At General Assembly, our virtual classrooms aren't lecture halls. They're launchpads. Learners don't just watch. They build, collaborate, and create real-world projects with live expert guidance from instructors who provide real-time feedback, encouragement, and just the right amount of support. GA instructors aren't just people who know the material, they live it. From senior engineers and data scientists to startup founders, product leads, and UX designers, our instructors are handpicked for their real-world skills and industry expertise. Because live, expert instruction and real-time interaction matters. Unlike self-paced videos or asynchronous content, our online instructor-led training offers supportive environments where curiosity is celebrated and where you can ask questions without fear. Hands-on learning, where you can practice new skills immediately and get feedback that actually helps you improve. Real skills and career readiness, including portfolio pieces and practical tools to take your career to the next level. Meet the minds behind the magic and move forward with real skills.